Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into SLP once again, and please join me into the Discord if you guys wanna have some nice conversations with the new members out there. So today I want to talk about the possibility of invalidating a bearish pattern because I'm gonna tell you why. When a coin gets so bullish, they even invalidate a bearish pattern that is trying to take them to the downside, and it actually kicks to the upside. So one example here, I'm going to show you another example. Now SLP here is having one touch there, one touch nearly there, and right now it's actually kind of bouncing off this trend line, and it's above the trend line once again. A very tiny comeback, but a very positive one, and that's very, very good sign. Just like that, I'm gonna show you this one right there. Here we are. So if I zoom in right here, and we see into the microscope details, so that's actually a break of a trend line and a very, very positive thing to do. Go up above it and start to continue to the upside. There are things, and yesterday I told you that do not ignore the what do you call this one? Yeah, the bullish cross. And then we also have a head and shoulders. That's actually true. So can you actually invalidate a head and shoulder? That's something that I want to see answered. So here we are with the head and shoulder. That was your neckline. One thing is very clear. You've already broken out of this left shoulder, the head, and this is the right shoulder right there. You've broken out of it. You're looking to actually tackle this neckline, and if you break that neckline, and that's why I said go above 34 and go above this neckline, wow, you're gonna actually pump, and you're gonna pump like crazy. Now there's one more thing, and this is the only holy grail that I think tells me that the bearish patterns could be invalidated. And here we are, and we are just forming this bullish cross right there. When you see this bullish cross, guys, I don't know, and I don't care what people say. Damn, bearish patterns can get invalidated, and now I'm starting to actually support the fact that the bearish patterns could be invalidated because it's technical analysis by the end of the day. Yes, you find one bearish pattern, that's okay, but then again, bullish cross versus, let me do one matchup right here on an auto draw. I'm just gonna tell you this, and it's gonna be, I'm gonna remove these candlesticks right there, delete them, and here we are. So talking about the bullish cross versus the head and shoulder, the reason why you cannot still ignore this guy right here is that the head and shoulder chart pattern is a leading pattern, right? Which can be invalidated as well. So it doesn't actually tell you 100% you're going to go down. But as long as it's not invalidated, it is in play, and it's going to take you down. And then you have a bullish cross, which comes after a very long time, anytime. But the problem with the bullish cross is the EMAs are lagging indicators. They're not leading indicators, unlike the chart patterns themselves. So the favor is still on the head and shoulder at this point, but I'm actually also supporting the bullish cross at the same time. Now you might be confused. So here we are. Let's go back into the chart patterns right there. And all this means is that these lines, indicators, these three lines that you see, they happen after a price has moved. Like this cross happened after we saw this green candle, not before that. The green candle appeared, and then the cross happened. Now if you go down, then you can actually have a bearish cross later after the prices went down. It's not like the bullish cross happened first and then the prices went up. No, the prices went up first, then the bullish cross happened, and that's positive. What you're looking for is now the 20 coming up again. And if you have this one, then boy oh boy, you're just going to be finding support at the 10 EMA, and you're going to be pushing to the skies as well. But to me, guys, Bitcoin is flipping bullish. So there's no reason for me to say that SLP is going to be bearish. One more thing is that right now people are so fearful, and people are so against the coin, that in my opinion, that's actually bullish in itself. And on the monthly time frame, we're first time making a bullish engulfing candlestick, and that's a reversal pattern. Whenever you see the prices coming, I didn't see this before, but now I'm gonna do it. The last time you saw a bearish engulfing, what happened? the prices went down. Okay, when you see the red, the green and the red next to it, that's bearish engulfing and the prices went down. The red and the green next to one another, that's bullish, and you might see in March we continue to the upside. That's how it is, and this represent a reversal pattern, by the way. So a lot of things are still positive, and we might not get the dumps and the ABC correction, that deeper, steeper C correction, because once thing gets heated up, they're gonna get heated up. I'm gonna show you with Ethereum the reason. So here we are. I'm gonna show you the bullish engulfing, just like that. Go to the images right there, and a lot of people know this by now, but I'm gonna show you this proof, just like last time I showed you guys the, you know, what do you call that, the bear flag, and it went down. This time I'm showing you a bullish engulfing candlestick. This that you see, isn't it identical to this that you see right here? Of course, the green candle has like nearly 12 days more to close, so it's not a confirmed one. But by the end of the month, if you actually close above the red candle, nearly the 29, then guys, that's it. You're pushing to the moon. You're looking to push to the moon, my friend. The trend is going to be reversed to the upside, and that's the good news about it. That's the good news. And the head and shoulders might not quite play out the way it's supposed to be playing out. The ABC, it might not. Okay, one more thing about the ABC correction. Sometimes the C correction logically can be bigger than the A correction, but it's not must. It's really not a must, but in most cases, the C is really steep. We might even have had the ABC correction already. Who knows? Maybe we might have had it right there, and then that's it. That's just a very small ABC correction. I'm going to show you on the 4-hour time frame, potentially, that this could have been your A, the B, and this could have been your C already. Yes, that's something I didn't actually notice. Here we are again with the ABC, because I remember the last ABC correction right there. So it's really important to reanalyze your charts again. So this was your the first wave, second wave, third, fourth, fifth, the A, the B, and then there was the C potentially. And that's something I didn't notice, but maybe I was talking about this one and this to be the C correction, and you're not going to have this one. But if you start losing this line right there, that's going to be nasty. But right now, guys, it's once again turning into a very positive chart pattern right now to continue to the upside as well. Of course, I'm just going to leave this head and shoulder, which in my opinion is not going to be playing out anytime soon. But there's one thing I want to make you aware. It has broken the neckline, but it can be invalidated, and the example I've been talking about is Ethereum. So here we are with the Ethereum pattern right now, and I'm going to show you this trend line that has already been validated. So this is the trend line I'm going to show you, and we had a fake out. So here we are, and what happened is that you had a touch one there, another touch there, another touch there. Look, you broke out of it, and you went back, and you made a fake out. Do you see? That was the fake out. So I'm really expecting something very similar with this right now, the SLP right now. One positive part of it is that it has already broken out of this area, which is like this resistance, that resistance, this one right here. It has broken out of it. So that's very positive progress at this point of time. So I'm actually personally gonna be taking sides with the bulls. Yes, with the bulls. And my personal side, not a logical side, my personal guts feeling is that this coin is still looking to continue even in the next coming months, potentially, because that's just how it is. When people are so fearful, that's when you actually turn bullish. And I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.